Hey everyone, so welcome to quite a new setup here. I've been working on this for a while, so I just thought that I would kind of give y'all a tour of my new craft space. I'm so excited about it. So I will take a step back just so you can see, yes, the cleaning products are there. This is real life, but anyway. So over here, I've got my cart and I have unloaded a lot of it and put it elsewhere. Over here, I've got my, there we go. I've got my organizers set up that I need to go through for real. But I wanted to just show y'all kind of my setup and how everything is on here. So this desk actually came from Wayfair, and I will leave a link below to the desk itself. I love it so far. I wanted something that was L-shaped that could go in this corner here in my kitchen and just give me a lot of room to just be able to have my craft area, have my computer, Cricut, printer, all in one area. So let's just take a look at what I've got here. So here I've just got my planner and some stickers set out because I was planning earlier. I've got a Ray Dunn mug there with my Tombos, and have another little Ray Dunn thing here with some clips and bookmarks and things like that. My computer is here. And then I got these really cute little lights from TJ Maxx a while back and have been waiting to set them up. So I think I'm going to use them for staging stuff. And yes, there is my vape. I do vape. So anyway, this desk came with this set of drawers here. So in the bottom, I've got some books. The photo album holding my die cuts, my Erin Condren memory planner, a notebook here, and then hand lettering for relaxation right here. And then these are my vinyls and transfer tape. In the middle drawer, I've got more just like printable papers, stickers, vellum, different things like that. A little project that I'm working on, trying to get out. Takes forever. I've got this little handy dandy thing here holding my Tombow Monodots, whiteout, and my scraper for my Cricut. And then washi chomper. And then in the top drawer, I've got my pen roll and extra batteries for my keyboard, and that's a charger. It's like a juice pack. Y'all know what that is. My ring punch sprocket things, my mild liners, a washi tape that will not fit in my drawers, some bookmark things here, some washi cards, different things here and there, and then pens. So that is everything in there. My computer, obviously, and keyboard. Sorry about that. And I finally have been able to pull out my custom mouse pad from Erin Condren. I've got a little thing there that I'm going to keep like my candle in, and water cup. There's the gorgeous extension cord. Here I've got two other Ray Dunn things, and then my sticker albums are on top of my washi storage, which I've shown before. Little organizer here for papers. This is just like a little random thing of cough drops, pen. And then over here I've got, I really wanted my Imperfectly Perfect Bujo sleeve to show because it's just so pretty. And then I've got my Apira case, my little Crow Funko Pop This is primarily my bucket that I use for stamping. So the towel is in there because I use that to towel dry off my stamps when they're wet. And as I use them, I just dump the bucket out and have it just empty. That way I can take it directly to the sink and wash them off and then dry them in the towel. Here I've got my Cricut with my one mat underneath it and a magazine laying top. Down here I've got my printer, which is an HP Envy 7155. The little latchmate over there is where my stamps are. I wish it was a bit more accessible, but definitely working with what I have. Here I've got my scrapbook paper pads, and then my paper cutter laying on top of another thing that holds stamps. And then this is my traveler's notebook collection, just so I can grab them easily if I need to. And then here I need to put more of the little cubbies in, but I've got a couple of the Simply Gilded boxes, and then a lot of pen pouches, and then my planner pouch. And then down there I don't have anything in it yet. So that is just a look at my setup. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.